Here's one of the main entrances. See, it was on the back side of this where we saw the small little piece. But
I totally forgot about there being a Harkins.
Yeah, but check this out. They've really tore into it.
We don't go to this one though. That's probably why I forgot about it.
Right in the middle of it has been gutted. So I'm not going to go too long in the video. I got a sore throat. Looks like I'm getting sick, or I breathed too many fumes from all that welding and cutting I did yesterday in the garage. Voice is not doing it too good for narration today. So I got a lot of equipment out here. Looks like they're sorting all the old steel and everything they're pulling out of there. Piles of rubble. I'm sure somewhere there should be stacks of HVAC here too, but they could be putting that right on trailers and getting that taken for the scrap value. Yeah, some of this equipment's kind of hanging on for dear life, it seems. Wow. Huh. Guess they're just letting it fall to meet its maker. Some old equipment up there. Chilled water. This was on a chiller system here. Getting all tore up. Another unit hanging for dear life. Right, actually down in the collapsed roof section there. Oh, it's got a door, man. Watch your step if you come out that door. Yeah. Well, that unit's totally foobarred. So what else they got going on over here? Oh, back there, a bunch of cooling towers. We'll see what they do with that next. Just leveling it and dropping it. So it seems to be just between these two main structures so far. Got some equipment up here. The wife was reading some information earlier. It seems like they're going to be building some dwellings here right next to all the stores on the outer ring, you know, and the little, right in the background, you kind of see the little trolley or whatever you want to call it, the light rail, as they call it here in Phoenix. I mean, it's kind of like this might be one of those new 15-minute cities they've been talking about. They kind of want to, you know, get people into where everything you need is within 15 minutes. And he wants you to reduce your footprint. Less driving, less livable space. He wants you to work nearby or at home and walk everywhere as much as possible or take public transit. So that might be kind of getting in a little bit of the realm of conspiracy theories, but that's what it kind of seems like to me. I heard about this stuff. It was an idea, and then when I was reading the description of what they want to build here, it just kind of makes me think of that. So, alright, I'm going to keep this one short, so I'll start hacking in the video. Just want to get this This is what is today's date? December 29th, 2024. So that's so far the destruction that has become of Metro Center. And like, oh, this might be my thumbnail right here. Oh, the video. Yeah. So that, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you guys later.